Hi everyone, my name is Christine. For the past 16 years, I have suffered from a debilitating chronic cough. I've seen countless specialists, including pulmonologists, allergists, ENTs, gastroenterologists, and even tried acupuncture. Tests proved inconclusive or normal, and so-called treatments made my cough worse. I met Sarah through a dear friend, and she has been a godsend. She's the first professional to give me hope and guidance rooted in science. Through her evaluation and supplementation, I've experienced a significant change in the frequency and intensity of my cough. For the first time since 2005, I've slept through the night without coughing. My life is forever changed, and I'm so grateful to be on the pathway to true healing naturally. Thank you so much, Sarah.